Hey guys, we're back on the trail. We're at a Spring to Spring trail today. It's in Pismo Beach, California. And right away, there is a lot of people here, but it's next to the beach, so it's to be expected.
Yeah, Pismo is very popular tourist attraction. It's beautiful out here, beautiful beaches. So, I mean, you can see a part of it in the background a little bit. But this trail specifically is 3.8 miles with 488-foot elevation gain. It's going to be a one-way loop, so just keep that in mind when you come. It's one way, and that's counterclockwise.
It's going to be an easy trail, so let's get on the trail and let's enjoy.
Okay. So we're here at the start of the trailhead, and you can see here there's a nice sign. It's well informed. There's even some restrooms, and it's Wilmington. Here you'll go ahead and make a left. So apologies in advance. We are next to a freeway. This is actually Pismo Preserve. We're going to keep going straight here. You're going to see this sign, and we're going to go onto Range Road for the trails. Today we are joined by our friend Mattie. She has a YouTube channel as well, Grandma on the Go. So make sure to go ahead and check her out. And she has her vlogs of her hiking trails and other fun adventures. On this trail, it is horse and dog friendly, so if you have either, you're welcome to bring them along. So here at this sign, we're going to go ahead and make a left.
The good thing about this trail, guys, it's really fresh. It's right next to the beach. Feels nice. It's easy. Who doesn't like easy? And I can tell you right now, the views are beautiful up here. As you guys can see, it's the parking lot. There's not very much parking. It's a very busy trail. And we also seen signs to stay on the trail because of the wildlife. And here at the beginning, the trail is pretty narrow, so just try to stay to the side if somebody's coming by. And from what we've seen on the trail, there is bike trails out here, so if you want to bring your bike, you can.
The nice thing about this area is there's actually a lot of different offshoots for this trail. You can just basically spend a good afternoon here venturing around. I really like Pismo. It's super chill. Beautiful views, the ocean. A girlfriend of mine actually had a bachelorette party out here. We rented a hotel suite off the beach. It was just gorgeous. Definitely recommend it if you've never been. We've reached Splitting Point. You can either go straight if you want to go ahead and explore the Discovery Trail. We're actually going to make a left so that we can stay on the Spring to Spring Trail. So it says Lone Oak. So we're going to go up here, make a left. So this trail is very well lined out. You don't have to worry too much about getting lost, but due to COVID, they did make this one way. So just go ahead and respect the trail rules. Stay on the trail. Look at that ocean view. There is a lot of people here, so just kind of gotta be patient. It's not terrible. So this trail is pretty easy. I'm enjoying it so far. Beautiful views. You can bring the family if you just want to go ahead and enjoy the afternoon. If you live in the nearby area, it's super pretty. Looks like the sun is coming out a little more, so it's really nice. Not so gloomy. So what we've noticed so far is that the trail here, it's very clean.
Alright guys, and then when you get here, you're going to take a left over seeing the bench. I'm assuming that ramp is for bikes.
So right here we've reached Lone Oak, which is a little photo area, but they have closed it off because a lot of people were starting to climb it and carve into it. And look at the poor little tree, it doesn't want to be climbed on.
Fun fact about Pismo Beach is I guess it used to be like clam heaven, you know, but I guess not anymore because they got all ate up or fished out. It's very tranquil out here. It seems very nature, and then go around the corner and then boom, the ocean.
Here you can either go right or left. For this trail we're gonna make a left. Looks like the other trail is closed.
Right now we see the terrain starting to change. There's more trees.
So it is springtime and this trail is definitely letting us know it. It's beautiful. A lot of little wildflowers around here.
And like as we said before, it's a pretty easy trail. It's pretty nice just to get away into nature. Go a little turn. Reach a splitting point. We're gonna take a slight left to continue on the trail because this going up straight is another one. I think it's the Notch Trail, but let's continue on the main trail. You can feel the fresh air. It's a really nice day today. If you guys are ever in the area, I do really recommend coming over here and just passing it. I really recommend coming out here a couple of hours just to get on the trail and enjoy nature. It's really nice out here.
You can either go down this way and go up the hill, or we can go to the right, and we're gonna end up in the same place, but we're gonna work less.
They're gonna go up there, I'm gonna go to the bottom. They both gonna end up at the same spot. There's an old encrusted pool with fungi down there. If you guys really wanna get into the water. And this trail here is where the ladies came from. The terrain is very green, trees. It's really nice. When you get here, you're gonna go to the left, because you don't know where the other one leads to. And I think this stagnant water used to move. And this is where you're gonna start getting the ocean views again. They're beautiful. Here, you're gonna go to the left. I think this hike here would be a really good one, like on a Friday night when you're out for work, just trying to get away from the grind. It'd be really nice out here. And so far, I haven't seen any wildlife, but knock on wood, because you never know. I mean, in one of the trails that we went to, we actually saw some bobcat footprints. You always got to be careful, you never know. And from what I heard, and from what they've told me, when you encounter a bobcat on a trail, don't run away, face it, and make yourself bigger. Oh, the other thing too, get some bear spray. I heard that works really well too. But I think this trail here is for everybody. Any kind of hiking difficulty. Kids can do it, anybody can do it. And if you really wanted to too, you're so close to the ocean, you can just go jump into the ocean, cool off. I think if I remember correctly, the All Trails app said there was no shade, but there is shade though. All right guys, when you get here, you go straight. Just keep on the trail. Here's the sign.
I like how they used all this old tree cuttings to make the trail here, to line it out. It's a lot of little switchbacks, like I said, a lot of curves here, guys.
Look at this, the ocean, picnic tables, beautiful. You're gonna keep going straight though. It's one of those trails where you just never get tired of the ocean. You see it again, you're like, wow, look at that view. Here's the ocean.
Alrighty, you guys, we're over here talking about tacos and going swimming, and that just sounds so nice right now. I don't know about you guys, but me, I like my tacos de lengua. What are you eating? Drop it down in the comments below.
I think at this point of the trail, we're at about 3/4 of the ways there. We're getting pretty close to the end now. Here, you're gonna go to the left.
So here on this trail, it's not a long trail. It's just really windy and curvy. And I mean, you gotta stop and take in the views. So it takes a while. It feels like it's been a while. But at least it's like overall easy, so not too bad. It's gorgeous. Imagine living out there, guys. Whew. So as a reminder, there's a lot of different trails, Pismo Preserve, a lot of different offshoots. I mean, they're at least well marked, but in the event you get yourself a little lost, go ahead and make sure that you have some sort of GPS with you. We haven't had any signal issues as of right now. So you're gonna see this cement block on your trail. It's actually called concrete turret. We're leaving the concrete turret. We're gonna head back on down the trail. Almost, guys, we made it. Almost a trail with no trash. You can see how windy this is. Here, we're gonna curve on down. Just be careful, watch your step. So one thing I've noticed about this trail is that there's not a lot of shade. There's pieces here and there because of the trees, but for the most part, there's no shade on this trail. So don't forget your hats and your sunblock. I'm gonna turn right around. These are huge little switchbacks. And go parallel to where we just were.
And we're coming to the end of the trail, back to where the parking lot is. So technically, this trail starts on one end of the parking lot and loops around, and you come back in on the other side of the parking lot. Hey guys, we made it to the end of the trail.
Hi.
It's really nice out here. Very tranquil, you know, you just kind of do your thing. I mean, no reason to hurry out here. It's just really smooth.
Nice little getaway.
Yep, exactly. And I mean, it doesn't hurt that the beach is right there too, all the way, you know.
Yeah, and the views are really pretty.
Yeah, they are. But as we always say, we recommend this. We really recommend this. But thank you for all the subscribers, as we've been saying lately. Thank you very much. And if you guys want to see a trail before you hit it up, leave it in the comments, and don't forget to leave a like so the algorithm picks us up. And we'll see you guys next time.
Later.